Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see a new video which is known as charts in Excel. So last video we have seen how to draw a bar chart. So today we will see another type of chart. Let's open Microsoft Excel. I will zoom it for you. Let's have a set of data. Suppose we will take the example of student and marks. So student and marks. So student A, then student B, student C, D, E. And suppose out of 100, this student has got 50, these students have got 42, this C student have got 90 marks, D has got 35, and E has got 65. So this is the data, and I have to represent the data instead of this table. I have to represent this data in terms of charts. So first of all, you have to select this data, go in insert, click on insert, and here you will see a chart. So you can click here on the line chart. Then there are 2D line charts. Suppose you click on this particular chart, and you can just adjust it with respect to our screen like this. So now see, you can easily observe the trend or the marks obtained by A. So for A you have 50 marks, so it is between 40 and 50. Then for B it is 42, so it is just below the 50, over 40. For C it is 90, so it is between 80 to 100. D it is 35, so it is here. So as this is a live representation and visualization of the marks, if you change these marks, suppose from 42 you require to hit 80. So see now what happens. See, this from 42 it risen to 80. Suppose C has got 45 only instead of 90. So see the trend. It is a live representation of the data. Similarly now, if I have to enter this new student F, so this is the new student F who has got 70 marks. So you cannot observe this particular F student's marks here, because when you click on this chart you can see that it previously we had selected only up to E. So what we have to do is, if we have to include F also, extend this up to F. So now observe the line chart. So F has been included with mark 70. Click here, and if you want to see the data labels, add data labels. You can observe like this. It is showing you the marks. If I change, suppose for F I have to change that to 30, so it will naturally change the data label also and the nature of the graph also. So in this way we can use the line chart for the visualization of data in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.